Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is 8th of July and I am going to recreate some of the Pinterest images that I'd seen. And this is the dress that I'm wearing, and now I am quite in a rush, so I'm just gonna do my makeup quickly. Oh yeah, no time for anything. I just want to get ready as fast as I can. Okay, so I did the photo shoot, but it did not happen as I had planned. Obviously, things are really not taking place as I have planned them to. But I think we did some really nice photo shoot. Like, I was not able to recreate those Pinterest pictures, but I think we did a lot more than that, of course. And yeah, that's it. The pictures are taken. um, Need to edit them, but this is what the dress looks like. It's from H&M and I love it for its color. Firstly, I'm not gonna do anything because I think I'm super tired since morning, because I had gone to the gym also early in the morning, and now also it took a little while to do all these things. Also the failure kind of kept on happening, and nevertheless I think I got some great pictures, no doubt in that, but definitely not able to recreate the same pictures that I'd seen on Pinterest. But I think we did a pretty good job. And for the evening is, I'm gonna meet my friends because Manali's birthday is there, so we are all meeting in the evening. So I'll catch you all up during the birthday celebration of Manali. And yeah, so the dress looks like this. It's nice, it's basic bodycon dress, very basic. It can be styled in many ways, so that's the major part of me like keeping these kind of dresses. Hey guys, so it's evening. I took a nap. I think it was just what I needed. I've been so exhausted all this week, obviously because of the birthday series. But one more video that I had mentioned while unboxing a lot of a few Amazon parcels, that I was about to do a birthday glow up kind of a video wherein I get to pamper myself, like face mask, hair color, and some other things that were on my list for sure. But because of so many other things, I cannot shoot that video, because first of all the hair color is not enough, as you all had seen the paradise sample box that I had got, so that is not enough. Then again I went to the market to find something similar to that, but I didn't find it here, so I think I had to cancel it out. And that was the major thing, actually coloring my hair and everything. But I just thought that today, as I was vlogging the whole day, I thought that I could use the clay mask, and also I could also color my nails. So maybe we can do that, if not the birthday glow up kind of a video. But I'm sure I want to do something like that later on, whenever we get any opportunity, coloring my hair and everything, like a proper pamper routine. But for now I think we can use I can do clay mask, and I can also color my nails, I mean change this nail color. So as I had told you all, that I got this one by Dot and Key. It's their glow reviving vitamin C pink clay mask, and I've heard a lot of good things about this one. And also I always loved using Dot and Key's brand, so high hopes from this one. I hope this does its job, as it says glow reviving. This smells really nice. Also, it's so good that they have given this one to apply, because I feel it's very much convenient just to like apply this very smoothly and without making a mess. So it's a good thing. Okay, so the mask is all dried up and I think it's time to wash it off, and let's see if anything's happened, any glow that the mask has claimed. So yeah, I'm just gonna wash and come back. Oh, I have washed my face and I can feel my skin to be really soft, and I can genuinely I know I won't be able to tell the exact difference right now because it's just a few minutes that I've washed it off, but I can feel how soft it has become. So now let's pick one nail paint. It's this blue one. I don't think so that I want to apply this. Then this, the lilac one. I think this one will really go with my outfit also because it's kind of pastel in color, so maybe this one I can consider. Then another one is this pretty pink color that we have, and definitely not gonna go with this one. It's a kind of a pastel yellow, so not gonna go with that. So how this goes, so I'll take this off first and quickly apply these two. So we are at the restaurant. Okay, so this is we all have met her.
Yeah.
So
we're just gonna get to work. This is our cake.
cake for Mana.
I'm just gonna lift this.
Yeah.
And a cream like
Is in love with that girl.
yeah.
करा तुम्ही
Makadis na.
Bro.
इथून फोटो काढा
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Manali. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
कर ना open.
कर कर.
तो मग फुटलेला ना तो मग दिला मी
So thoughtful.
बॉक्स ओपन करायला डायरेक्ट काय वाटलं का म्हणजे
कळे जागा.
जायचले very thoughtful.
एबे thoughtful person.
केक कटिंग सेरेमनी आता आम्ही केक इटिंग करतली अँड आय थिंक आता आम्ही विल बी एट आर रियल अकात वी जस्ट गना dig in which we already did. I'm done.
Favorite vlogging part 1.
YouTube is not
for us.
not.
हमें का हटाओ यार बटर पनीर पे कंसंट्रेट करते हैं.
And some people have been literally focusing on butter paneer. Already eating.
तू उठले
And I'm
my plate.
and I'm struggling to set this freaking camera.